Hey y'all, I just want to talk for just 1 second about the homework assignments that you'll have for this class. Now these are the lower stakes assignments which are 10% of your final grade. So they are really a lower part of your grade. But if you don't do them, two things can happen. Number one, your grades will be not as good. Two, you could get withdrawn from the class. So while they are lower stakes, they are still important. So I wanted to talk about the different things that you have for this class. Number one, they're reader responses. So basically for reader responses, you'll have a question that you're prompted to read. And for that question, you'll answer it in this format. And it's really not that big of a deal, but I just want to kind of make sure you understand it. I do want to make sure that you reflect deeply on the text. So if you write a response that anybody could have written, you're not going to get 4 points for it. And then each response needs to be at least 1 full page written in proper grammar. Now, I would also say that we can work on MLA, and I'll keep kind of working with that with you, but I would start looking at MLA format. I'll go ahead and upload a little template for that, and so that's how I think that would work, and actually it takes up a lot of space for that 1 page. But so that's how the reader responses work. Times New Roman 12-point font is usually what I like, and so I do have a little points deduction breakdown. If it's not a full page, it loses 10 points. If it's generic, it loses 10 points. If it's late, obviously it loses 5, because that's how everything in the class works. Now, you also have for this class discussion boards, and they are also 10% of your final grade. And so I'll ask you a question, and basically I want you to click on that and answer the question. You'll go to create thread, and when you see this, or when you see the question, you'll create the thread. And I ask that you respond to at least one of the comments of your classmates always. I do think that it's really important that we build that community, and I think discussions is one of the best places to build that. And again, just like we talked about in the syllabus, this is a safe space, so abusive language is no good. Point deduction breakdown. Generic posts, again, that don't show analysis, they lose 10 points, and not responding to a classmate, that should be minus 10 points. Okay? And then you'll have quizzes, which are 10% of your final grade as well. And so they are basically designed to test your knowledge of the reading, the videos, or other course content. They're open book, open note, you can use whatever, take your time. They may be just a survey question here and there, and you'll just receive 100% for answering. So I try to make the class varied so that we stay a little bit interested, so you don't always have the same kind of homework over and over again. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. If you have any questions about any of those assignments, please feel free to let me know. Hey, y'all have a good day. Bye.